today I'm going to make my hair and I'll probably fix my lashes. Okay guys, so I just arrived. Well, first off, I'm making a stop at an apartment here. Well, by the way, if you don't know, I'm also into real estate, so a client needs an apartment, so I'm just here to like check out the place before he arrives. And then from here I'm going to head to Wuse Market. I don't even know, like I forgot my hair, I forgot my wig. I forgot my wig at home. After I got to the market and I went to withdraw some money, I just realized that I didn't bring my wig. Luckily for me, the market is not so far from my house, but then like it's so stressful coming back, and then I have to still go back again. Anyway, this is like 9:13 and I'm tired, I'm exhausted already, but anyway, let's go back to the market. Hopefully I don't forget any other thing. If not, I'm just going to come back home and sleep. I'm not going to do my hair again. So I'm finally back at the market. You know, feels like I've spent half of my day already, because this whole coming back, going back, so stressful. Anyways, like I said, I don't even know if I want to do my lashes or my nails. I don't like doing lashes, honestly, because it just feels like I'm carrying heavy load on my eyes. Anyways, let's see. So my stylist is over there. So this is my stylist. Say hi. So I'm at the salon already and I'm trying to get my wig installed. So I'm just going to put the step-by-step process it takes, just in case you want to learn how to install your wigs too. And I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible. Okay, so step one obviously is to make your cornrows, you know, but then I'm going to just put it like a heading so I don't have to do a voiceover for all the whole process.